Did you know that Aegean Airlines, Greece's largest airline, boasts an impressive fleet of 49 aircraft and flies to over 145 destinations worldwide? This leading airline, a symbol of Greek pride and accomplishment, boasts a high-tech fleet that comprises the latest Airbus models. Aegean Airlines bridges the global divide with the heart of the Mediterranean, ensuring that passengers travel in utmost comfort and elegance. Starting from Athens, the cradle of Western civilization, passengers can set off on a voyage that spans every corner of the globe. With a swift transit through the alluring waterways of Venice, they can then venture into the dynamic cityscapes of London before finally arriving the serene shores of the Maldives. Aegean Airlines is not just an airline, it's a ticket to a world filled with diverse cultures, rich heritage, and untamed nature. Each of the 145 destinations it serves is a testament to the airline's unwavering commitment to providing unparalleled service. Passengers are transported from their everyday lives into a world exploration and discovery, all from the cozy confines of Aegean's state-of-the-art aircraft. With Aegean Airlines, the world is just a flight away, and it's not just about flying, it's about the myriad of experiences that await at each destination. The charm of each locale, the friendly faces you meet, and the memories you make define the Aegean experience. So sit back, relax, and fasten your seatbelts as we embark on an exciting journey exploring Aegean Airlines and its many destinations. From the ancient wonders of Greece to the vibrant cityscape of London, Aegean Airlines connects you to an array of breathtaking destinations. It's time to embark on an extraordinary journey to explore some of the awe-inspiring destinations that Aegean Airlines brings within your reach. Picture this, stepping off your Aegean Airlines flight in Athens, the illustrious birthplace of Western civilization. Here, you'll discover yourself amidst the venerable remnants of ancient Greece, from the awe-inspiring majestic Parthenon, standing tall and proud, to the historic Agora, pulsing with centuries of stories. As you meander through the labyrinthine cobblestone streets of the city, every nook and cranny echoes with whispers of legendary gods, monumental wars, and the inception of democracy. From Athens, let us travel to another European gem, the City of Lights, Paris. Aegean Airlines brings you closer to the magic of this romantic metropolis, making dreams come alive as you fly over the Seine River, dazzling Eiffel Tower, and the artistic treasure trove that is Louvre. Picture yourself leisurely strolling down the famed Champs-Élysées, a buttery croissant in hand, as you soak in the quintessential Parisian charm that has enamored countless poets, artists, and dreamers for generations. Next, our journey takes us to Berlin, a city that is a pulsating blend of history and modernity. Aegean Airlines whisks you away to the energetic heart of Germany's dynamic capital, where you unravel the city's rich tapestry of history by day, exploring iconic landmarks, and by night, immerse yourself in its electric nightlife, from chic bars to world-renowned music festivals. Our final destination is the sun-drenched island of Cyprus. With Aegean Airlines, you're merely a relaxing flight away from this Mediterranean utopia. Picture lounging on sun-kissed, pristine beaches, wandering through ancient ruins steeped in myth and history, and savoring the delights of tantalizing Cypriot cuisine. It's an island paradise offering something for every traveler's desire. Through Aegean Airlines, these mesmerizing destinations and countless more are just a flight away. So, whether you're an aficionado of history, a connoisseur of art, a food lover, a night owl, or a beach bum, Aegean Airlines makes the world more accessible than ever before. So, fasten your seatbelts, sit back, relax, and get ready for takeoff. Your voyage of discovery is just commencing, and Aegean Airlines is excited to be your guide in this grand adventure. After all, as we love to say with Aegean Airlines, the world is literally at your fingertips. Aegean Airlines operates a modern fleet of Airbus aircraft, ensuring a comfortable and safe journey for all passengers. Let's delve deeper into the heart of Aegean's operations, a world where the sleek and ultra-modern Airbus aircraft are the true stars. With a fleet comprising primarily of Airbus A320s, A321s, and A319s, Aegean guarantees you an unbeaten experience in air travel. These aircraft are not just selected on a whim. Their excellent safety records and state-of-the-art features are a reflection of Aegean's unwavering commitment to safety and comfort. Each aircraft in Aegean's fleet boasts a modern design that goes beyond mere aesthetics. It's a symbol of Aegean's dedication to delivering a travel experience that's not just seamless, but also delightful. As you set foot inside of these aircraft, you'll be welcomed by spacious cabins that have been meticulously designed, keeping passenger comfort at the forefront. The seating arrangements are carefully planned to ensure maximum space and privacy for every passenger. Whether you're flying economy or business class, rest assured, you'll have a comfortable seat with plenty of legroom to stretch out and relax. But with Aegean Airlines, the journey isn't just about reaching your destination, it's about how you get there. On board their aircraft, you'll find an array of entertainment options to keep you entertained throughout your flight. From the latest blockbuster movies to hit TV shows, music albums to engaging games, there's something to cater to every taste. For those who prefer to utilize their travel time productively, Aegean provides onboard Wi-Fi, which allows you to stay connected and get work done, even while you're thousands of feet above the ground. The pleasures of flying with Aegean don't just stop at entertainment. Their in-flight menu boasts a variety of meals and snacks inspired by Greek and international cuisines, all made with fresh, top-quality ingredients. Whether you're in the mood for a classic Greek salad or a comforting bowl of pasta, Aegean's in-flight dining experience is sure to tantalize your taste buds. And we cannot overlook the warm and attentive service provided by Aegean's cabin crew. With their unwavering commitment to making your journey as pleasant as possible, they truly embody Aegean's commitment to excellence in air travel. Whether you're traveling for business or pleasure, Aegean Airlines ensures a journey as memorable as the destination. For those seeking a touch of luxury, Aegean Airlines business class offers unparalleled comfort and service. From the moment you enter the airport, you're transported into a realm of refined relaxation and meticulous service. With access to priority check-in, you can bypass the bustling crowds and unnecessary delays that might otherwise mar your travel experience. You're ushered through swiftly, a testament to Aegean's commitment to making your journey as seamless and stress-free as possible. On board, the magic continues. Your comfort is our top priority. The seats are more than just a part of the plane, they're an integral part of your travel experience. Designed with extra legroom to provide utmost comfort on long-haul flights, they transform flying into an enjoyable event. These spacious seats are your personal haven in the skies, an inviting space that makes you feel at home rather than in a confined aircraft. But it doesn't stop at just the seats. Aegean Airlines business class is a tantalizing adventure for the senses, especially the taste buds. Revel in the joy of gourmet meals, inspired by rich Greek and international culinary traditions. Served on fine china, every bite is a journey that complements your physical journey, enhancing the pleasure of your travel experience. And the journey isn't just about flying. Aegean Airlines provides access to luxurious lounges at select airports. These aren't mere waiting areas, they're havens of tranquility where you can unwind, catch up on work, or even steal a quick nap before your flight. They are the perfect space to relax and recharge, ensuring that you are well rested for the journey ahead. In Aegean Airlines business class, your journey begins from the moment you step into the airport. It's not just travel, it's an experience, one that ensures you arrive at your destination feeling pampered, relaxed, and ready for whatever comes next. So there you have it. Aegean Airlines, a doorway to a plethora of extraordinary destinations around the globe. Fly with us as we operate a modern and comfortable fleet of aircraft, designed keeping your comfort in mind. We offer the rare opportunity of experiencing a lavish business class service, tailored for your utmost convenience and luxury. Airline serves a wide range of destinations, providing you with an array of options to choose from. What sets us apart is our state-of-the-art fleet, meticulously maintained to ensure your safety and comfort. The additional privileges that come with our business class experience offer a pampering journey in the clouds. Aegean Airlines, your ultimate flying partner, promises a unique journey, whether you are soaring over the picturesque Aegean Sea or venturing into the colorful heart of vibrant Athens. Our commitment is towards making your journey unforgettable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more travel insights. Safe travels.